Good evening, sir. I'm Iberos Ramirez, the System Analyst. Capstone project title, Development of an Integrated Denture Job Order and Appointment Scheduling System. Non-functional test case, web performance and usability. Step 1 is new case order clinic staff. So, kung wala pang account sa clinic, pwedeng i-click yung home tapos register your clinic. So, may account naman ako. So, magre-register na lang ako. Login. So, ito po yung clinic dashboard pagkatapos mong mag-login. May case orders, appointments, patients, dentist, and billing. So, bago tayo mag-create case orders, mag-add patient muna tayo. Add dentist muna tsaka sa patient. Then, email. Itong number. Existing na kasi. Contact number. Then, address. Then, save dentist. So, dentist added successfully. Then, si patient. Add patient muna tayo. Full name. Contact number. Dayon, Kylebert. Assigned doctor. So, si Kylebert. 1. So, save. Address pala. Save patient. So, pagkatapos, patient added successfully. So, tsaka tayo mag-create ng case orders. So, create new case order. So, select patient. Pagkatapos mo mag-select ng patient, so automatic na ma-assign dentist. Case type, crown. So, yung ilalagay natin na notes, 1 unit jacket crown. Then, create case order. So, ito na po yung lalabas. Case order number 13. Yung case ID, case type, status is pending. So, mag-notify na po doon sa admin dashboard. So, pangalawa, laboratory dashboard. Log out ko muna ito. So, ito po yung admin dashboard. Clinics, and case orders, appointments, 2 technicians, riders, and materials. So, i-click muna natin yung appointments. So, pending pa. View details. Ito na. Mark Dental Clinic, patient, Anilo Ramirez, dentist, Calbert Villanueva. Case type crown, status is pending. So, si admin dashboard is, sa quick action, kailangan mo i-click yung create pickup. Dayon, assign rider. So, ito na. Pickup has been created and rider assigned successfully. So, pangatlo is lab dashboard appointments. Sa appointments is makikita yung appointment ID, case number, clinic, patient, technician, schedule, status, and action. So, pag view mo, ito na, sa action, reschedule appointment, view case order, cancel appointment, delete appointment. Sign technician. Sa pang-apat, delivery management. Sa delivery management, makikita yung ready to deliver, in transit, delivered. So, ang overall, ito. Delivery ID, appointment, clinic name, address, rider, delivery status, delivery date, status, and actions. So, pag view, ito, makikita yung delivery details. Responsive naman po yung system. Sa pang-lima, clinic user dashboard billing. So, log out ko muna ito. Sa billing, clinic billing, makikita yung total bills, unpaid, mga partial na bayad, tapos paid. So, since na bagong account to, so, walang total bills, unpaid. Kasi bagong account naman to, kailangan pa man na i-accept or i-pick up, i-assign pa ni admin kung ano yung papagawa ng ngipin. Reports and analytics doon sa admin dashboard. Ito po yung reports and analytics. Makikita yung report type, overview, case orders, date from, date to, tapos pwede naman maka-export report, pwede din maka-print. Then, pwede din maka-generate report. yung case orders, total cases, completed pendings, appointments, revenue, deliveries, staff and clinics, and inventory status. Next is billing management. Dito si billing management. Billing management is makikita dito yung unpaid, partial, or paid. Pwede din makakreate ng billing. Sample denture, sample dental clinic. Optional lang. Partial payment. GCash. So, ito, billing created successfully and clinic has been notified. So, mag-notify po doon sa clinic pag mag-create ng billing si admin. Next. Material used in. Sa material used in, log out ko na. Sa material used in is makikita dito yung plastic jacket crown, metal blocking, yung mga ginagamit nila. Plastic jacket crown. Ito yung mga materials na gagamitin ni technician. Next. Password recovery. Password recovery is test forgot password function. So, failed po ito. On progress pa lang. So, recent case orders. So, recent case orders. Wait lang. Recent case order. Ito po. Sa admin dashboard, makikita yung recent orders. So, ito. clinic, patient, and dentist information. Ito po yung patient information. Patient name, email, contact number, address. Pwede din siya maka-edit. Sa dentist naman, dentist information, merong full name, email, contact number, address. Pwede din siyang maka-edit or delete. Then, pwede lagyan natin ng picture. Ito. Pwede din makalagay ng picture ng dentist. Yan. Dentist updated successfully. So, next. Clinic appointments. Dito sa clinic appointments, makita yung track the progress of your case orders. Total appointments, pending, in progress, and completed. So, pinaprocess pa lang ni technician. Mamaya ipapakita ko. Next is clinic billing. So, clinic billing. Clinic billing. Ito po yung sa billing management na create billing. Create billing. So, mamaya i-demo ko sa inyo kung ano yung process. Isa-isahin ko muna ito. Ito. Add dentist. Number 14, add dentist. Mark. Add dentist, ito lang. Kanina, Kyle Villanueva, add dentist. Full name. Then, save dentist. Next is add patient. Same lang, add patient. Ito. Pwede si Calbert, pwede si Jose Santos. Full denture. Upper and lower. Save vision. Ay! No, sa'yo. Address pala ito. WCDO. Pwede din maka-update. Yan. Address WCDO. Next. Admin dashboard. Pending clinic registration. Una. Pag wala pang account for clinic, is i-click mo lang yung home, tapos register your clinic. Clinic name. Ito. Rose Dental Clinic. Perbugo. Contact information. Phone number. Create password or confirm. Register clinic. So, pagkatapos mag-register is ito yung lalabas. Registration successful. Your account is pending approval. You will be notified once approved. So, hindi ka po maka-login kung hindi pa po i-approve ni admin, ni laboratory admin. So, una, kailangan mo nang i-login si laboratory admin para i-approve. So, mag-notify po dito. Ito, si Rose Dental Clinic, contact number, address, kailangan i-approve. Pwede din siyang ma-reject. Pwede din siyang ma-view. Pero, hindi pa muna ma-check. Hindi ba muna ma-view kasi ongoing pa lang na. So, kailangan i-approve. Clinic Rose Dental Clinic has been approved successfully. So, kailangan mo nang mag-login. Tabang Lord. So, ito na yung lalabas, yung bagong account na clinic, case order appointments. So, wala pang total case orders, wala pang pending, wala pang patients. So, next is technician portal work history. Ito na. Log out muna natin ito. Technician. So, ito yung technician portal or technician dashboard. Makikita yung total assigned, pending, work, completed. Next is technician portal and materials inventory. Sa materials inventory is makikita yung all status, available, yung low stock, yung out of stock, makikita. So next, technician portal task summary dashboard. Sa summary dashboard, ito yung summary dashboard ni Clean Ani Technician. Ito, total assigned, pending work completed, appointment number, clinic name, case type, schedule, work status, material use, and pwedeng maklik yung sa actions. Ito, pwede sa, ang update status, pending, in progress, completed. Timeline. Ito. Next is technician dashboard, may appointment display. So ito yung sa may appointment sa technician portal or sa technician dashboard. Makikita yung work details, case order number, schedule date, case type, schedule time, sa work description, case notes, adjustment requested, yan. Total cost, 600, yung statistics, materials use. Ito din yung clinic and patient information. Sa ibaba, ito yung material use, yung ginamit ni technician. Ivoclar acrylic tape, 1 set 600. Pwede ding maka-add material. Yan. Next, rider portal task summary. So, i-log out ko muna ito. Rider portal. Ito yung sa rider portal or sa rider dashboard. Yung total pickups, pending, completed. Sa total pickups is 8 kabuo and 1 pending and 7 completed. Pick up, pending. Maklik po yung pending, pick up. Pwede din mark as done or mark as pick up. Case number, clinic, address, pick up date, status. Next is rider portal, my deliveries. Dito sa my deliveries sa rider portal, makikita yung total deliveries, ready to deliver, in transit, delivered. All deliveries history makikita. Yung delivery number, clinic name, address, delivery date, status, and actions. Pwede ding maka-view si rider. Yan, delivery destination, case information, case number, case type, patient name, then work completed kung mas asya na human, then delivery complete na ni siya, kaya naman siya delivery complete na siya kasi tapos na po ito. Next is rider dashboard, case information and display. Ito. Ito yung case information display. Yan. Functional naman yung system. Tapos, dashboard loads within 2 seconds. Walang error. And display all case information correctly. And display all case information correctly, then passed. Admin dashboard recent appointment. Ito. Lagot ko muna ito. Recent appointment. Ito po yung admin dashboard. Sa recent appointments is makita yung makikita yung Line Dental Clinic, Sample Dental Clinic, Roslyn, Aleni Dental Clinic. Makikita yung clinics, case orders, appointments, technicians, rider, and materials. Yan. The last one is admin dashboard clinic case order notification. So pagkatapos mag-create new case order si clinic, mag-notify dito kay admin dashboard na may papagawa sila na ngipin. Ito kanina. In progress pa lang siya. See? Ito yung dentist kanina, si Calvert Villanueva, yung patient si Anelu. Yung clinic name is si Mark Dental Clinic. Clinic and patient and dentist information. So, pass po lahat and then i-demo ko from the start to end. Ito. I-demo ko muna. Una, pag wala ka pang account na clinic, kailangan mo lang mag-register your clinic. So, may account naman tayo. So, mag-login na lang tayo. So, kanina, may case order. Yan. Si patient, si Anilus Dentist, ayan. So, ito ay mag-notify doon kay admin. So, mag-create ng case order na naman tayo. Sige. So, pag-click mo ng patient, automatic na mag-assign dentist, then case type, denture lang. Full denture. Upper only. Then, upper only and create case order. So, pagkatapos, pwede sa quick action, pwede din siyang ma-edit case order or delete case order. So, case order created successfully. So, i-log out natin to, i-open natin si laboratory. I-click natin sa case orders. Ito. Si Mark Dental Clinic, ito yung patient. Si Maria Labus, yung dentist, yung si Santos, yung case type is denture ipapagawa ni Maria Labus. Then, pending pa siya. So, kailangan i-view ni admin. Then, after i-view, so, babasahin muna yan ni admin. Then, sa quick actions, kailangan i-click ni admin si create pick up. I-pick up pa naman yung study cast or yung items papunta sa clinic. So, create pick up. So, So, pick up, lagay natin dito, pick up items, StudyCast item, create pick up, assign muna, wait lang, assign rider is si Mike Compens, create pick up. So, okay na, pick up has been created and rider assigned successfully. So, ilag out ko muna to. So, mag-notify na doon kang rider na may ipipick up siya. So, ito na yung rider dashboard or portal. Sa may pick ups, i-view lang ni, ito na, yung nagpapagawa ng ngipin is si Mark Dental Clinic. I-view ni rider. Dayon, yung pick up details is pending pa. So, makikita ni rider ang schedule, pick up date, pick up time, case information, case number, patient name, case type, and priority. So, mark as pick up. So, na-pick up na. So, pick up status updated successfully. Case order is now ready for appointment. So, doon muna tayo kay admin. Kay admin is in progress. So, makikita dito yung clinic, patient, and dentist information. Back to list. In progress pa lang si Maria Labus. Pwede din maka-add technician na full name, email. Lagay natin. Yung email dyan, gmail.com, contact number, password, confirm password, then save. So, technician added successfully. Yeah. Pending pa lang. So, kailangan ni admin i-assign si technician. Saan ba yun? Wait lang. Kailangan i-assign ni technician. Rider. Ito na. Si Mark is pick up completed na. Deliveries. Mark as pick up. Okay. Then pick up status updated successful. Case order is now ready for appointment. mag-notify, may notification po dito na may new pickup assignment. Mag-notify dito kay rider dashboard or rider portal. Open natin si technician. Sa may appointments, makikita dito kanina. Saan mo kanina? Ang dami ko kasing create na case order. Ay, ito. Pagkatapos makuha ni rider or pagkatapos na-pick up ni rider yung study case or yung item galing sa clinic, is si laboratory, kailangan niyang mag-create appointment para kay technician. Yan. Create appointment. Wait lang, assign technician. Ito na lang, si Jan technician na lang. Kailangan yung schedule date for mga lang 1:30. Ay 1 PM na lang. 1:30 PM, yan. Then create. Appointment has been created and technician assigned successfully. So, pagkatapos, mag-notify po doon sa technician dashboard or technician portal. Ito yung technician portal or technician dashboard. So, makikita dito si appointment numbers. Appointment number is 7, si Mark Dental Clinic. So, pending. So, sa work status niya, kailangan na in progress. Then, pwede din ma-view details ni technician. Ito na. Ensure work, full denture, upper only. Yan. So, sa update status is kailangan lang okay. Then, timeline. Naka-assign siya is November 3, 11:18 PM, 2025. So, mag-add material lang si technician. So, ano man yung denture. Ito lang, naturaton. Denture. Pwede din magkalagay ng notes, pero optional lang. Add material. Pagkatapos mo add material, material added successfully. So, mag-notify na po doon sa clinic dashboard kung ano na po yung status ng kanyang in order na ngipin. So, tingnan natin kung ano na yung progress. I-open natin sa clinic. Work. Kung may progress na ba. So, dito sa clinic ni Mark, mag-notify dito yung work schedule niya, yung case na pinipick up successfully. So, sa appointments, i-view lang yung details, makikita na yung timeline na, status timeline, material, use na ginagamit ni technician, makikita na dito, yung schedule date, 1:30 AM, and so, yan lang po. That's all, and thank you.